Hi, welcome to the science room. This is the class where you're going to learn about science and all the different science things. Let's start right here. This space right here is teacher space. Most of the classroom's meant for students, but this is the one spot where the teacher gets to work. These first two work tables have chairs right there for you. The number of chairs are the number of kids, so you can see if there are only 4 chairs, we don't move chairs around, we keep them where they are. The hockey stools are fun, but remember, your feet need to be on the floor. Kids have problems if their feet can't touch the floor, so only use the hockey stool if your feet are on the floor. Coming around, we can talk about a few other things. This table is my standing table. What does that mean? Sometimes your legs just want to stretch and be up, so you're allowed to stand up at this table. That means no chairs. At this table, I see a problem. I do not want students sitting right here where this chair is. Students are going to sit on the sides or on the back. That way you have the ability to see the front. Students will not sit on this side of the table right here because then they'd be in the way of the kids at that table. These tables, again, have kids on the side, so you can sit on the side of the black table or this black table. This black table has one of our kind of couch cushion chairs right there. 2 kids sit on that. This table's meant for 4 kids. Back here, there's another table meant for 2 kids in the back corner where people have space to work. And if I take you for a walk around here, you're going to see that this is not really space for kids. This is teacher space most days. There are pet crayfish in the science room. There are pet butterflies in the science room. There are other things. This is a place for choice time, so when we have choice centers, we'll get to use this space. Right here is a new table in the science room. The pillows are only for working at this table. 2 pillows, 2 students, and if you enjoy sitting on the floor, this is a table for you. There is a whiteboard on the table, and you can use whiteboard markers. Please note this shelf right here, this is mostly teacher space. The top part is teacher only. Down here on the bottom, if you prefer sitting on the floor, there are clipboards that students can use, and someday we'll get to whiteboards, but they're currently still closed. I hope you get to learn about the science room. I have one more thing to show you. Someday in science, you might need to measure something. If you do, this is the measurement cabinet. It says student supplies. So this is something that kids can do when it's time. Today it's not time. When it's time and you're like, I need to measure something, you get to come in this cabinet and find the correct measuring tool. But you'll always have to be safe, respectful, responsible, and put things away correctly. But this is absolutely space for students to get what they need. I hope you enjoy this mini tour of the science room.